What's going on, everyone? So I'm back working on the Impala. So the goal for this video is to get the interior swapped over from this car over to here, because I need to start getting rid of this car because it's just in the way. And I also have people want to buy the doors and other body panels like the rear end and stuff. But before I do any of that stuff, I need to remove the top dash pad because I need to paint it back the gray it came. As you can see, it looks like they painted it black. This car never came with a black dash pad. So I'm gonna remove that, start prepping it and painting it. So with the dash pad being out, I'm gonna start scuffing it up. And once it's all sanded down, I'm gonna wipe it down, clean it up real good. I'm also paint this grill part and these little vent things that go on the corner of the dash pad. Everything's gonna go back gray, which I think that's how it was originally. Yeah, I think it was. And I did some research online. The factory paint code for Impalas is medium gray. But when I went to the paint store, the medium gray was a little bit too dark for my pieces in my car. So it was going to be a different color. I did find that this light gray was pretty close to what I had in my car. So if you are painting everything in your car, just to freshen it up, medium gray is the factory color for Impalas. So after a bunch of coats later, I was able to get the dash pad painted. Came out pretty good. So I'm gonna get it back in the car and start putting the dash back together. So I have the dash back in. As you can kind of tell, the color kind of didn't really match up to what I had originally. I should have went with that medium gray, and I think it would have matched a little bit better. But for now, it would do. I will be looking out for another lower dash piece, because when I took that one out, it had some clips that were broke on it, and once I changed that out, I will redo that top dash pad to match it a little bit better. But for now, it'll work. Next thing I'm gonna do is vacuum all the floor pans, that way I can put the carpet in and start putting all the rest of the trim pieces back on. So I got the carpet in, and I went ahead and started putting some other trim pieces on, the belts, these right here. The only thing that's left is that piece right there on the pillar, and the two quarter pieces that goes on the windows. And the reason why I haven't put those on is because these metal pieces right here broke, and I'm trying to glue them back, and I used some of this plastic epoxy. So I got all those pieces drying up. Once they get done, I'll be able to put them back in the car. While I wait for the other pieces, I'm gonna go ahead and put the back seats in, and then the driver and passenger seat in. So I got all the interior in. I got my back seats in. I got the front seats in. I got the console in. The only thing I need to do is wait till I get power in the car. That way I can slide these seats back. And the final thing I need to do to pretty much complete the interior, I need to switch the door panels over onto this car. So I'll take these off, and I need to take this little trim that goes around the glass off and swap it over to that car. So I got my door panels in. I got the back end also. Everything worked out pretty good. If anybody got some recommendations on how to remove this window tint glue, let me know, because I've tried acetone, thinner, Goo Gone, and some other type of cleaners, and none seem to work. So let me know, because I have all the windows to do like that. So with the interior being done, I'm gonna stop this video here. So on the next one, what I'm gonna be doing is removing that engine. That way I can paint the firewall and the frame rails. That way when that stuff is done, I can put the engine back in and pretty much start finishing it up. So Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.